In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image shape in InVideo. If you're looking to give your visuals a polished, professional touch, shaping your images is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll walk through the process step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, log into InVideo. Once you're in, open the project you want to work on. This should be the project where your image will appear, whether it's a social post, a promo video, or a slideshow. Give the editor a moment to load your timeline and canvas so everything is ready for the changes we're about to make. Next, look for the Elements tab in the left sidebar. This is where you'll find a variety of visual components you can add to your video. Within Elements, navigate to the Masks section. Masks are special shapes that automatically crop your media to fit inside them so you don't have to do any manual cutting or complicated editing. Browse the available shapes and select the one that best fits your design. You'll see common options like circles and rectangles, along with creative shapes for more stylized looks. Choose the one that suits your layout and brand feel. Add the shape to your canvas. You can click it to place it or drag it onto the canvas to position it where you want. Place it roughly where your final image should appear. It's okay if it's not perfect yet. The main goal is to get the shape on the canvas so it's ready to receive your image. Now go to your Uploads panel in the left sidebar. This is where your media files are stored inside InVideo. Make sure the image you want to use is visible in your Uploads library so you can easily access it during this step. Finally, drag and drop the image directly onto the mask on your canvas. As soon as you release it, the image will snap into the shape of the mask automatically. This gives you a clean, polished crop without any extra effort. If the image doesn't appear centered exactly how you imagined, you can nudge the shape on the canvas or try a different mask that better matches the composition you want. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your project, found the mask, placed it, and applied your image by dragging it onto the shape. This simple workflow helps you maintain consistency across scenes and speeds up your design process while keeping everything looking sharp and intentional.